So to update or to revert to the previous version of Premiere Pro, what you'll need to do is go into the Adobe Creative Cloud Manager, which you'll see here. Now, if you find Adobe Premiere in the Updates section, so click on the three little dots that are just to the right of where it says Update, and you will see that it will show the previous versions that are installed. Now, if you take a look at mine, you can see I've already reverted back to the previous version. That's why it's got the uninstall there. The latest version is this one up here, which is 14.1. However, there are a lot of reported problems with that. So have a little check and see if you've got the latest update or if you've got an earlier one. If you are using the latest update, maybe you've used an auto update or maybe you've updated to the latest version and it's causing you problems, the easiest way to install it is if you click uninstall, it will then allow you to select one of the others. Or indeed, if you just click install on any of the other versions, it will allow you to select uninstall. I'm running this version here and hopefully that will work better for you.